The fact that you are experiencing pain is not a sign that Allah Almighty hates you. مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى. Allah said, Allah has not forsaken you, nor does He hate you. With all of what you have just heard, we understand the fact that you are experiencing a pain physically or financially or through your children, or the Ummah's pain in Gaza, Palestine, or elsewhere. This is not a sure sign that Allah Almighty has forsaken us or that He hates us and therefore He is punishing us. That would run contrary to everything that we have just learned and understood about pain from a secular perspective, let alone an Islamic perspective. I tell you where the issue is and why we may doubt Allah when we are hurt. We may doubt Him when we see those scenes of savagery and other pain that you may be experiencing. We may doubt Allah Almighty because we measure Allah Almighty's love to us on the basis of how we express love to people. That's where the problem occurs, because it's not an accurate comparison. When you love someone, what do you do? What do we do? What do I do? You shower them with gifts and comfort. You mollycoddle them, we say in Wales. You want to carry them on your back. You want to spare them of any pain. That's what we do when we love someone. And therefore we make short-term choices to give them comfort that may affect them on the long run. So you see your child who is sleeping. It's not a young child anymore. This child may be now 11, 12, 13. Time for salah, fajr salah. You say, leave him. Leave her. They're tired. Let them get some rest. They got a long day ahead of them. A short-term decision that may affect them on the long run. So when you and I express love as humans who are characterized by weakness, deficiency, ignorance, haste, rashness, we give short-term comfort, though it may cost them their akhirah. On the contrary, however, when Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala expresses love to somebody whom He loves, He does the opposite more often than not. He may give them a short-term challenge, a short-term pain, in order to qualify them for a long-term joy. That is how Allah Almighty treats His awliya, His saints. An immediate circumstance that may hurt them, to give them ranks and opportunities that they may never have ventured out for without that pain.